Welcome to episode 9 of the Grandma Gaga and Pee-Pee Show. This is Pee-Pee. We haven't seen her in over a month. I think was the last time we had an episode. She wasn't very cooperative then. She's doing a little better, huh? Let's see. Now, yesterday... Oh, really? What do you want? What you doing? Yesterday she got her first tattoo. It says Princess. She's a badass princess. And this one's a pretty flower because she's so girly. Let's see. There we go. Oh, aren't I pretty? Okay. Let's see. She's standing up. She's standing up. She's wiggly today. We slept until 9 o'clock after going to bed at 10 last night. She was like out like a light. She was such a good girl. She got up and had a bottle, and she spit it up, and she had some bananas, and she made a mess, then she had a bath, and then we got dressed. She was a cute bib to go with this, but she spit up on it. Yeah. She's so fun, huh? Isn't she fun? Isn't she fun? You want to stand up? Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. She's a little lazy today. Oh, she takes naps so good. She is a good girl. Grandma Gaga loves you. Yep. Put my hands in your face. Isn't she the prettiest? She is pretty, huh? She's pretty. Fancy footwork. This is the baby, and she's so cute. Yeah? What you talking about? Did you say something? Oh, you didn't tell everybody that you watched Romeo and Juliet yesterday. She watched the whole thing. She sat there and talked and laughed, and she liked that show. She was in her swing for like an hour and a half. And she is such a good girl, huh? Yeah? You got something to say? You got something to say? Talk to the people. Tell them. Yeah. Tell them. Tell them, oh my gosh, this is such a good hand. Huh. It's a cute outfit. Cute outfit. Yes. Huh. Yeah, boy, you're blowing bubbles, huh? Oh, yeah. Bubbles are fun. Yep. We went for a walk last night in the stroller with the puppies. Met all the neighbors. Hey. Okay, you can have that hand in there. Because she is cute. She gets what she wants. Yep. She's spoiled. We gotta go home today, though, huh? I will miss you again. Hopefully it won't be for too long. Because that was too long. But now we're good because we love Peyton. We love Peyton, and all the dogs are hiding from her. Yep. You just wait, huh? We're going to ride midnight when you get bigger. That's right. Well, I guess that's all. You're not very talkative. You're going to start crying? No, you're not going to start crying, are you? Oh, thanks. Okay. Well, till next time. Bye-bye. I love you out there in YouTube land. Okay, that's the end. Bye-bye.